everyone, it's Magda from Foyr. Today's video is about customizing products. I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this by using only products from our catalog. You can choose any other product. I chose this wardrobe and I will show you what other products I've used to customize it and change the look of it. Now you can go to texture and you can find the texture that you want to apply on the product. Now we will use invisible material to cover the parts that we don't want to use. Now you can search for other products in a catalog that you would like to use to customize this wardrobe. I will be using a niche in the shape of an arch. Now I will clone it and paste it on the other door. Now I will change the texture of my arches. I will add some handles. Now I will group everything. And your customized product is ready. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!